Today we are going to go over technique for a basic rolled out and stuffed pork loin. This is a great dish for the holidays. You can put anything seasonal inside it. Today we did mushrooms and bacon.
We are going to make slices and do a roll cut, which is a little bit different than butterflying because we're going to do it in 2/3. Use a rolling pin or meat tenderizer to even out the thickness of the meat. Season and add stuffing of your choice. Roll up the roast and then get your butcher's string and do traditional butcher's knot to tie up the roast. After your first butcher's knot, continue to do loops to secure the meat. I did about 4 loops around this size roast, which was about 2 pounds. Flip it over and thread it through each loop on the other side. Next, we will brown the roast over medium-high heat for about 4 minutes on each side, then put in the oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Tent in foil for about 5 minutes, then unwrap and take off the butcher string and save any of the juices that were left behind. For the sauce, I reduced a local apple cider and then mounted with very cold butter. I'm adding a little herb oil to give a pop of color to the dish.